so we got a package from Laurel Hill, and I am so excited. Let's see what they're sending. Whoops, let's see. Not very good at opening these things. My hands are not. These are my favorite knitting tools. So let's see what they're sending. Okay, let's see. How neat. Let's see what they have here. I'll probably have to post this in several, in several parts, because this is, let's see, heavy, okay. Let's see what there's in here. Look at this. Such a pretty box. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's a case in here. Okay. And a letter. Is this a letter? Okay, Joanna and Anna. Okay, I'll read it in a minute. So let's see what the gift is. This is neat. Okay. So I hope you can see it from there. Isn't this pretty? I love this color. Such a pretty thing. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Rick and Danny Brown sent us their collection. I think I have this booklet, or maybe not. Maybe this is a bigger one. Oh, I think I have this one. Or they probably added more things. Look at how wonderful. So, oh my gosh, look at how pretty this yarn is. From the Mindful Collection, Knitter's Pride. Look how pretty that yarn is. It's their color. And oh my goodness, lace needle, size 8. 32 inches long, and this is a 3.75 millimeter, and which is a 5 US 5 and 16 inches long. And this is the interchangeable tips, 32 inches. This is the swivel cord, the teal cord, 24 inches. Oh, I am so excited. Another swivel cord, 16 inches. I am so excited. Look at the tips. A number 3 and a number 7. I need to start knitting with this. And these needles are very nice on my hands, because I'm getting arthritis like right in there, and I cannot handle needles that are very heavy. These are very soft and very easy to work with. This is a number 6, 24 inch long. Circular needles. What is this? I have to remember how these things. Oh my goodness. Okay, these these are blockers. These are knitting blockers. Oh, neat. I get to use them. All right. You know how you block your piece? You have like your sweater or whatever you need to block. And then you put these through the knit in order to have your knit stay in place and dry that way. Neat. Okay. I have to put this away in its place. I am so glad. Look at this. What is this? Markers? Can you see what I'm opening? I hope you do, because look how pretty. What is this? Markers! All sizes of markers. Oh, thank you. Neat, I needed this. And then the color, this color is such a happy color to work with. I have, let's see. Oh, and they have this kind too, you know, the kind that you pass through your knits to mark. I said this is to pass like from one stitch to another. These are, and then there's this different thicknesses, and then these are the kind that you pass through on your knit or to separate a space. So nice. Okay, I need to stop this video for a moment. See what I mean? Like the different markers. Oh. And what is this? Oh my goodness. Such a wonderful gift. Thank you, thank you. And this is, give the gift of quiet time, to be mindful. This is so good to have. This is the needles, all the sizes. This is like a small. It's so nice. Oh, okay. And what's in here? All right. Okay. I get to have it. Okay. So, oh, how exciting. Okay. I know what this is. I know what this is. Look at this. Here, you put your needles. Look at this. You have your needles there. See, all sizes of needles. And then here, what is this? What is this? Scissors and needle sizer. Oh my goodness. And needles, sewing needles, and more you know, the same as this. The markers. So I have more markers there, and needles and scissors, and oh my goodness. Thank you. This is such a pretty gift. Oh my goodness. If you want to give a very, very nice gift, this is it. If you have a mother or an aunt or a sister that likes to knit, this is the ultimate gift. Thank you very much, guys. This is just wonderful. Let's see what's in here. my gosh. Okay, and this is going to have to be ripped. Oh my goodness! The 7 chakras. These are stitch markers. Ah, look how cute, look how pretty they are. Okay. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to be using first. This is going to be a very tough decision. Oh my goodness. You guys are so neat. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I don't... this is way, way huge. And let's see what's in here. What is it? A tape measure. All right. Okay. This is a tape measure. Wow. Okay. Neat. I really needed one. Because I have a tape measure in my purse with me. Because like that, when I go to stores, I measure the dress or the skirt or the blouse or whatever before I even try it on, because like that I know if it's even worth it to try it on. What's this? What is this? Oh, darning needles. Oh my goodness, let's see. All right. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Such nice quality. And look at the case. This wooden case. How pretty that is. Oh my, I have to take a picture of all this together. I don't know if it's going to all fit in the camera, but I'll try. And there's more. Okay, let's see. I got a row counter. I don't need to have my pencil and my paper to make little, like in jail, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have my counter. Neat. Thank you. All right. Look at this. What is this? Scissors. More scissors. Are you ready? They already sent me a pair, and now I have another one. Oh, okay. Anna, you and I get to have our own scissors. So we're going to, there's plenty for the two of us. Look at the scissors. Isn't this sweet? Oh, this is really, what is this? A sterling silver plated metal needle gauge. Ah! Sterling silver. I never felt so classy. This is classy. This is elegance. Look at that. Pure elegance. I am going to feel like the queen of knitting here. And what is this? Oh my goodness! Oh, ho, 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 ho. All right, let's see. All right, oh my gosh. And there's another one. And you people are amazing. Look what I got. I just needed one of these desperately. Look at the cables, all sizes here, and the needles. I can't believe you guys gave us this. I can't believe this. I wanted one of these for the longest time, and I was going to order it Oh, and what is this? Now what are you sending? Face care. Oh, the jasmines. Let me open these first. And I'll open that later. Oh my gosh. And this is a little bag. I bet it's a little bag so you can carry your things. And I have the bigger bag. I need to show you the bigger bag that I take with me everywhere. And it's very nice. This is like you put a lot of the stuff that you need, and like for a weekend, and then you put it inside your carrying bag. How nice. Okay, what is this? Face care, Ayurveda. Oh my God. Ayurveda. Rose and Jasmine Face Care Box. Oh, okay. What is this? The face cleanser and the pure rose water. I haven't seen good rose water around at all. Oh my goodness, thank you very much. How neat is this? Oh, Anna, you and I are going to have a feast once you see this. It is glorious. Thank you very much. I'm going to have to take this off and see how I'm going to fit everything in here. But what a pretty case. Thank you very much. Thank you. You are sweet. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Danny Brown. This is such a pretty gift. I appreciate it very, very much. Okay, let me take some pictures of this.